guys, I need to tell you something important. And it could be the difference between a date that's amazing and one that's an absolute disaster. If you've ever tried dating a trans woman but felt confused, nervous, or stuck, you need to hear this. For those who are new here, I'm Alessandra, a Filipino trans woman living her authentic life. I've spent over 10 years navigating dating and relationships, and in that time, I've noticed one major mistake that keeps coming up. So common that it stops so many guys from actually connecting with trans women. Today, I'm calling it out and sharing exactly what you need to know. The mistake: treating a trans woman like a project or fetish instead of a person. Here's what that looks like in real life. Asking invasive questions about her body right away. Acting like you're trying to figure her out. And lastly, putting pressure on her to educate you or prove herself. Guys, this isn't just awkward. It's off-putting, and it can ruin first impressions instantly. And the worst part, most of you don't even realize doing it. I've had guys DM me clearly meaning, but their first message is literally a list of questions about my body. I respect curiosity, but this approach screams, I see you as a problem to solve, not a person I might want to know. Here's why this matters. When you reduce someone to their identity or body, you shut down real connection before it even starts. A trans woman is more than her gender. She's a person with passions, experiences, and feelings just like anyone else. This isn't just about dating. It's about respect, empathy, and being a decent human being. Let me give you two examples. First, the overly curious guy. He asks intimate questions before even saying hi properly. She never responded, of course. Missed connection. Second, the thoughtful connector. He asked about hobbies, shared his story, and listened. They went on a first date that really went well. See the difference? It's about approach, not your intentions. So, here's the key takeaway. If you want to connect with a trans woman, follow these rules. First, lead with respect. Treat her like a person first. Second, don't ask invasive questions immediately. Focus on shared interests. Third, listen and learn naturally. Let curiosity happen in conversation, not interrogation. Fourth, be authentic. Show your personality and values. Think of it like dating anyone else. She's not a puzzle to solve. She's a person to connect with. Here are some scenarios you might encounter and how to handle them. Scenario 1. You meet her online, first message temptation. Asking about her body, and how you fixed it is that instead, comment on her interests or something in her profile. Simple, human. Scenario 2. You got a date and feel nervous about saying the wrong thing. So here's what you're going to do. Focus on connection, not identity. Ask about her favorite hobby or her weekend. These micro decisions make a massive difference. So let's do a recap. Stop treating trans women like a project or a fetish. Curiosity, second. Focus on shared interests, personality, and authentic connection. If you don't do this, you risk alienating someone amazing before you even get the chance. Follow these steps and you'll start seeing real opportunities, not awkward encounters. Alright, so that's the talk for today. If this video helped you understand the #1 mistake guys make when dating trans women, hit like and share it so others can avoid it too. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or personal experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on dating, confidence, and real connection. Remember, respect plus authenticity equals better dating experiences. I'll see you in the next video. And always remember to stay beautiful in mind, body, and soul. And I love you all.